Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. My wife got this special deal on this electric toothbrush, and has multiple colors. So today I'm going to unbox this and show you guys what we got. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Wow, there are so many. Why so big? Brüush is the brand. Let's see how many we got. So here are the SKU number and then the product description. Yellow electric toothbrush refill plan. Ship every 6 months. Got the yellow, blue, pink, white, and then black. I'm just gonna open one of them. So we got the 5 sets. By the way, we purchased this with our own money, so it is not sponsored or anything like that. So this is a hard cardboard, very professional packaging. There's a toothbrush icon right there. And this one is the yellow brush kit. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh my god. Holy, it's so long. So I even got the cap. And this is replaceable. Let me check. There's a branding right here. Daily White Gentle Gum Max Tongue. Wow. What the? Look at that. That's a gum. So actually you need to do a quick press on the button so you can select to a different mode. daily, white, oops, gentle, gum, max, tongue. So yeah, this one's pretty cool. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mode. So I don't see any plug or outlet. So this must be the wireless charging or the qi. Let's see. Is this a big giant foam right here, or thick? Pretty nice. And this, they're almost like a little light rubberized material, but it's not rubberized. Here is the starter kit, warranty and maintenance, user manual. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Give you the extra replacement brush. Here's a AC to USB adapter. And it is made in China. So this one, you can use it for 100 to 240 volt. So this one take international voltage, so in case you go travel. But you just need a special adapter. Wow, look at that. And this is the Qi wireless charging station. So this is made in China. So the base match the body of the toothbrush. So it is magnetic, but not too strong. So it might tip over if you knock it over by accident. So you just plug this in here, like that. Let's see what's this one. Wow, even give you a travel case. That's nice. What? There's another brush in here. Wow, but without the cap, since it's gonna be in here already. So I'm pretty sure you need to remove this. Look at that. That is a pretty awesome design. And this is a magnetic cover on the case. Pretty cool. Then that's it. Wow. I'm going to show you guys all the colors anyways, and since it's an unboxing channel. Although some of this for gifts, so. So this one is the yellow one. Whoa. Check out this one. This is the white. Wow, I didn't notice the cover. So I'm not sure if the white matched the white or what. Let me see. Oh, so the white is only for all the boxes. So you got the white one. And I just want to show you guys the charger. It is in white too to match it. And this one is the blue. Wow, look at that. So this is like a baby blue. So I believe this is the charging LED. Once you set on the station, it might turn red, and when it's fully charged, it might turn to green or something. So let's go ahead and check out the base charging. Yep. So yeah, all the base match the color of the body of the toothbrush or the handle. This one is the pink color. Wow, look at that. It's like a baby pink. Let me test it out. Yeah, I just want to make sure, test out everything that's working. And you got the baby pink. Alright, so here's the last one. This one is the black color. This one is much easier. Holy. So the black with the black toothbrush on the head. And then the base is gonna be black. Wow. Even the charging brick and then the charging cable is in black. Everything's blacked out. Let's see. Wow, everything's black. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. And we'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.